Hey everyone, you're not going to believe what I've got to show you today. Remember those robot dogs we've been seeing all over the internet? Well, forget everything you know about them because this one's different. Like, seriously different. So check this out. It's called the Unitree B2-W. And it's basically what you'd get if a robot dog and a race car had a baby. I know that sounds wild, but hear me out. This thing can actually switch between walking on legs and rolling on wheels. Yeah, you heard that right. It's got both. I've been testing it out for a while now, and honestly, I'm still kind of blown away. Let me throw some numbers at you real quick because they're pretty insane. This bad boy can zip around at 15 kilometers per hour. That's about 9 miles per hour for my American friends. And it's not just fast, it's strong too. We're talking about carrying 40 kilos, about 88 pounds, while walking around for 25 kilometers. And if you're not loading it up, it'll keep going for over 4 hours, covering about 70 kilometers. That's like a really long dog walk. But here's what really gets me excited. This thing is like a mountain goat on steroids. I'm not even kidding. You know those videos where robots fall over trying to climb stairs? Yeah, this one laughs at stairs. It can handle steps up to 25 centimeters high. That's about 10 inches. And it'll climb slopes steeper than 45 degrees. I tried to trip it up by making it walk over grass, gravel, you name it. Nothing fazed it. It's like watching a parkour athlete, except it's a robot. Now, let's talk brains, because this isn't just some powerful dumb robot. The B2W is packing some serious processing power. It comes with an Intel Core i5. You can upgrade to i7 if you're fancy. And get this, you can even add an NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX if you really want to get crazy with AI stuff. Plus, it's got all these cool cameras and sensors to help it see where it's going. Oh, and it's completely waterproof and dustproof. I actually saw it walking through a puddle like it was nothing. I keep thinking about all the cool stuff you could do with this. Like imagine having this thing in a warehouse, zipping around on its wheels on the smooth floor, then suddenly switching to legs when it needs to climb over something. Or picture it helping out in a search and rescue situation, getting to places that might be too dangerous for people. The possibilities are kind of mind-blowing. Okay, so here's the part where I have to burst some bubbles. This thing costs about as much as a luxury car. We're talking around $100,000. I know, that's a lot of money. But honestly, for what it can do, and especially for businesses that could use it, that's not as crazy as it sounds. This isn't some toy you buy for fun, although it would be really fun. It's a serious piece of tech for serious work. You know what gets me most excited about the B2W though? It's not just about what it can do now, it's what it tells us about where robotics is heading. We're not talking about robots replacing humans anymore. We're talking about robots that can actually help us do things we couldn't do before. And that's pretty awesome if you ask me. So what do you all think? Could you see yourself working alongside something like this? Would you trust a robot that can both walk and roll? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm super curious to hear what you think about this. And hey, if you enjoyed this peek into the future of robotics, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got coming up next. That's it for today, everyone. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.